Yo, what is up, guys? Today I have a very fun video planned for you today. Obviously, I have this busted lip, so I'm glad that this is the only thing that I actually have to record today. Otherwise, it should be super fun because I'm bringing on Penguin Typer to do a keyboard review. And it's really fun because I asked him about his keyboard preference and kind of just his I guess you can say his history with keyboards. And then also we hop into about 3 races and do some with different keyboards. I'm super excited. I hope you are too. This should be really fun. If you don't mind liking and subscribing before the video starts, always appreciated. Otherwise, let's hop right into the video, and be sure to join my sub club Discord if you haven't already for exclusive spoilers, giveaways, and video pings. Otherwise, thank you everyone, and let's get right into the video. What is up, everyone? Today I'm here with the one and only Penguin Typer doing a keyboard review. And so, how's it going, Penguin?
I'm doing fantastic. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Alright, so before this video starts today, though, I just wanted to ask you a few questions, basically, about what your kind of keyboard history has been like, in a way. So, when you first started typing, like, what did you really type on, kinda?
I typed on this Apple Magic. So my family had like an old desktop.
Mm-hmm.
An Apple Magic keyboard, and I used that for like a couple years. But yeah.
So,
that was our first keyboard.
Would you say like you improved a lot on that keyboard, kinda, or was it one of the?
Improved. Like I always got better at typing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I definitely improved on it.
Yeah, it's great. Also, I want to say, what do you prefer, a mechanical or a membrane keyboard?
So over the years, I've tested out a lot of different keyboards, and I actually prefer a membrane keyboard or laptop keyboards, and that has a lot to do with my two-finger typing style.
Yeah,
they're like rolling across the keys instead of jumping up and down. So it needs to be super flat, so I can actually like do those finger rolls instead of a bumpy mechanical keyboard.
Yeah, I remember watching your vids back in like September and October. I remember you also used that like orange mechanical keyboard too. What were your thoughts on that?
I like it. It's right here. In fact, it's
really?
One full size. Yeah, I have it. I can hold it up right here.
Nice. Oh, it's blue. I didn't even realize. I always saw like the orange keys.
Yeah, just the orange keys on like shift and stuff. But it's a great keyboard. I'm super happy with it. I like little keyboards, but I've always just used membrane keyboards because they're better for my typing style, and I never really wanted to switch over.
And then one more question. If you were to, like, say you started typing, what did you say you started typing at, 20 words per minute?
Around 20 to 30, yeah.
Yeah. So, like, say you started using a mechanical at 20 words per minute, do you think you'd still prefer membranes, or would you rather use a mechanical if you kind of continued with that?
That's a good... Yeah. I think if I had gotten used to mechanical keyboards early, then I think I could have, like, stayed well with them. But since I always used, like, the flatter keyboards, switching was a lot harder because my typing style got so used to a flattened keyboard.
Alright, yeah, so now we can get into a few races if you want.
Alright, sweet. I'll actually use, like, some of my other keyboards as well if you want.
Oh, nice, yeah, we can both try out different keyboards, although I think I'm gonna type, like, 70 on this one.
Hey, I always type super slow on my mechanical, so no worries.
Alright, yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so we are back, and we are about to do some races with different keyboards. So I'm gonna start off with this Logitech membrane keyboard. Penguin, I know you might try some keyboards out yourself. Which ones do you have for us?
I have the Ducky 1-2 full-size mechanical keyboard.
Is that your custom one? I know you did a custom video, like my custom keyboard 1 AM stuff.
Yeah, I have my custom here though, so I'll use that for a different race.
Sweet. Alright, so yeah, let's get into a race. I also found that on this keyboard my accuracy is surprisingly better. Like, I usually have really bad accuracy, like around 94, 95. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm choking this.
No worries. I'm still, I think, like sub 100. I just barely squeezed it out.
Yeah, so, EV2. Actually, for this keyboard, that's not horrible. You got a 97.1% accuracy, so that keyboard didn't really affect your accuracy at all, did it? I know you average around 97. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna do the next keyboard. We're just gonna get right into the next one. This one's, I don't even know what kind of keyboard this is, but this is just the one that we've always had. It's like literally dusty.
It's funny to see like an ancient relic from like back when computers were first invented.
Yeah, I feel like I'm about to use like a typewriter or something. Oh my goodness. Alright, so...
Typewriters are weird.
Yeah, they're... Like, they work weirdly because, like, you can't make a mistake. You literally have to have, like, Brematorix accuracy to work on them.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm already using the 2 USB ports on the front of my PC, so I have to crouch down and plug in the back.
Oh, yeah. I'll switch.
Alright, I got them. So anyways, yeah, I want to hear your input on streaming. Because for me, personally, I know streams can either go really well or really badly, kind of depending on how people are during the stream, at least for my personal experience. What do you think when you're streaming? Do you enjoy it? Do you think it's kind of stressful at times and tiring?
I don't get stressed.
Yeah.
It's just like a fun, good time. Like, there's nothing to be stressed about.
Mm-hmm.
However, I agree with what you say. The stream can definitely depend a lot on who's in the chat, like what they're like. You know, if they're doxing you or not, or if they're just trying to ask fun questions.
Yeah, friend me. Can I have cash? Can you guys subscribe to me? Check out my channel. Can I get a shout out? There are a lot of things, but yeah. So let's get into the next race. Should be exciting. So I'm probably gonna actually be slower on this one and have worse accuracy. Oh, I'm choking.
Hey, it feels so bad to be slow. Or like slower than normal. What the heck? Exact same speed for me.
Oh yeah, 100 words per minute. Yeah. So actually, that was actually surprisingly better than what I thought I'd usually do. And then for the final one, I don't have much faith in this keyboard because I can literally see dust on the old one too. This is a new keyboard too that I bought, but I have slime between the keys. It's a mess. Yeah, it's a mess, and I don't think the W works, so this could go very wrong very fast.
This could be pretty bad. And for those of you who have mechanical keyboards at home, be sure to stop and clean them every once in a while. Like, remove the keycaps, clean in between. It can get really dirty down there.
Oh, yeah. My Chromebook. Like, at least I guess that's what I'm used to, and, like, at school, I guess whenever I played, I'd just go on my Chromebook and do it. I'd find that I'm fastest on there, but I'm also the least accurate. I think it's because I'm, like, super reckless whenever I do it. I don't know.
That's fair. But, like, not every Chromebook keyboard is the same, too. Like, some are super weird compared to others.
Yeah.
I used a Chromebook for a couple years. It was good.
Is that what you recorded at the start of your YouTube channel?
Yeah, that was what I used. Inching towards 100.
No, I choked it. Dang it. So 138. That was a good race.
Yeah, I did not. I'm like on this like rickety old desk right now. But whenever I'm typing out like my actual desk, I always average like 140. But yeah, that was a good race.
Yeah. Anyways, thank you so much for being here. I know it was kind of short notice, but I had a lot of fun. I hope you did too. And yeah.
Yeah, this was great.
Thanks so much. See ya. Alright, anyways, thank you everyone for watching today. I had a lot of fun. I hope you did too. And that will be it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching, and peace out.